have a bite? Have a bite? No, I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Finish what you have in your mouth. I have something good for you. Whoa. Is there more? You have more? Did you finish? Let's see. Looks like you finished. Ooh, how good is that, buddy? You're not sure. It's sunflower butter. Don't you think it's good? I like it. I'm gonna have a bite. Mmm. Is it stuck to the roof of your mouth? Maybe we should give it to you upside down. What do you think? I don't know how that's gonna work. Let's try it like that. Ooh, yum. It's sticky, huh? Sticky. Is that good? You like this? It's good. I'm gonna eat that last bite. Ow! You scratched me.